Yeah, yeah. But nobody, even like outside of that, it's very rare in the U.S. now. No one smokes.
Really?
Not
Like
even
it's
with
not
drinking?
it's a bit
Drinking, a little bit. More like vape, like nicotine vape. And a lot of like, you know what's in? It's like snooze, but like kind of different.
Okay.
But like you put it in your lip and it's nicotine.
Oh.
Lot of that.
Okay.
But I think that's much better than smoking cigarettes.
I mean, you just destroy your...
Your dog.
This area, yeah.
A friend of mine does it. He's at home and just
Oh.
like putting fire.
Yeah. But I think Zin is less bad for you because it's like it's something synthetic and you wanna go?
No.
I thought you were looking there. Yeah, like do you believe like the miracle stories and
Yes.
yeah. It's very hard to like from the West to
Yeah.
but it makes sense because the thing that everyone asks when you're coming from the West is like, if you can perform miracles, why do you let the world be the way it is?
Right.
And the answer is because you can only perform miracles
When you have reached the
understand-
oneness.
When you understand
Right.
that everything already is the way it has
Right.
to be. So it's there's nobody who could that,
Right.
that has any desire.
Exactly.
Like the gateway to being able to do that is having no desire.
Right. So the moment you reach that, थामेल बाजार के लिए इधर सीधा 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 जाके राइट.
Yeah, the moment you reach it, you're not gonna change it.
No.
I just don't like the concept of religion itself.
Hmm.
I believe in spirituality, but I don't believe in religion.
He said this right or next right?
I think next one.
Huh. Sorry.
At least for
Maybe? I have no idea.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there is a book, and you have to believe in what the book says. Like,
Correct.
kind of, you know. And I'm just
Right. You don't
there
want
are
to.
churches. There are so much bad things about this whole concept.
Correct.
But I just don't believe in this kind of religion.
Mm-hmm.
But I believe in the spirituality that religion can give.
Right.
So the concepts of Hinduism and Buddhism are for me personally way more accessible
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
than Islam,
Or Christianity.
Jewish, or
Right.
whatever.
The Abrahamic religions.
I think that then when you like come into like in Hinduism, in oneness there is Christianity and Islam and suffering and it's all part of it. There's no
I mean, it's a part of the world, yeah.
and this is like it becomes really hard because right, like so many people see suffering, so much suffering, and it's like so much suffering even in the name of like a church or a religion,
Mm-hmm.
and they say how can this be like, how can there be a God and so much suffering? And the only answer that really makes any sense is that it's part of like suffering. If you believe that like you're not a body and you're not a mind and you're not an ego, if you believe that you're a soul, then suffering is like, you know what like grist for the mill means? Grist for the mill? The grist is the thing that you put in the mill with the flour
Okay.
to grind the flour
Okay.
and to grind the wheat to make the flour. And so if there's no grist, if there's nothing to grind against,
No.
there's no flour, there's no production.
Correct.
And so it's like if you believe that like an incarnation is something that is meant to serve a purpose, that you're going somewhere.
Right.
That,
Oh, baby
You
puggy.
need like
Huh.
you need something to grind against, and that's what you need. So it's not just a mistake. It's not like it's actually kind of the main thing.
Right. So in Hinduism, we have different schools of thoughts, right? So the main two different schools are duality and non-duality. In Hindi, we say Dvait and Advait. So Dvait means that God is outside me and I pray to Him. Advait means that God is within me and I pray to Him. So Advait is more connected with spirituality. That Lord Shiva is within me only. I don't have to go to a temple to look for Him.
Yeah.
And duality is that He and I can never be same. So I go out to Him, I go down, bow down to Him, and yeah.
What are you, like, what do you believe? Do you believe more duality?
And then there is the third one, which is a bit of both.
Yeah.
So I also believe that God is within me, but I also believe that there is a more personalized form of God. For example, Shiva, Vishnu, all of those are also real. But the one that is sitting within me is also the same, and that is also real.
Because for me personally, I'm like those concept of God, somebody created it at some point.
Right.
So for me, those temples, very nice to look at, but
Right.
have no purpose besides of the accessibility for other people
To
who need something to see.
right.
But for me personally, like, it's more inside of me than it is
Outside.
Yeah, because the outside thing, it's always connected to
You being smaller, the other being bigger, something
money
like
as well,
that. Right.
human concepts.
Right.
And I like a concept of getting to the spirituality point, like where it's all union, and like everybody's part of it.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
But the concepts of the religion, they do temples, they create people buildings or like gods buildings, whatever, but people have more accessibility to it.
Right.
Or even to have profit.
Right.
You see the religion in, I don't know, back in the time in Europe,
Correct.
just made tons
Money.
of money out
Yeah. Right.
of it. About with the fear of people thinking they need forgiveness for their sins and they need and they just can receive it from the church, and this kind of concept, this money making.
We go this side.
That's what I don't believe in.
Right.
So for me, the concept that you have in Hinduism, that you can have duality or insight,
Uh-huh.
I think it's a really
But
nice.
it's also not. It's like maybe I'm wrong, but it's not denying that they're both real at the same time. It's not like, oh, God is in me, God is outside of me, and you choose. It's both, and it's more of like a devotional / identification thing.
Right. Right.
Yeah, but
People need the feeling of being part.
Community.
Yeah.
do you know Thich Nhat Hanh?
Who?
Thich Nhat Hanh, he's a Buddhist monk.